Good morning, guys. We're out here again trying to hunt down the elusive redfish. Found this little ditch. I hadn't been up it, so you know me, I find a ditch, I want to go up there and see what's in there. So if I see anything, I will bring y'all in, and we'll see you in a little while. Guys, I brought y'all in right now just to let you know kind of how I do it. I come up into an opening like this, and I just will sit here a minute or so and just wait. It'll pay off. I mean, yeah, it's time you're not really fishing, but you just wait, you listen, you look. There's something working right out in the middle, some bait, but it's not really revealing to me what it might be. But wait a little while and all of a sudden a tail may pop up, or one might bust some bait, and then you know where to go and what to do. You rush right in there, you just spook them up. So anyway, all right, we'll bring you back in if I see something. Well, guys, hooked up with something here. It's been a little rough today trying to find a fish. I mean, I don't know what the deal is. This little, oh, get out from under the boat. And by the way, I didn't really like the pole that much. I ended up taking it back to the academy. I tell you what, academy's good about that. No questions asked. Of course, I didn't mess it up or nothing. And so turned in a $29 rod and ended up buying this $65 rod. So, but it does. I like this one better. I mean, it's what is it? Spoon. 7'6". It's not as long as I'd like, but this first fish I caught with it. But it has a feel kind of similar to the ones I normally fish with. The other one just was, it kind of had a good feel, but it kind of had a bowie feeling in the middle. And you know, I don't like that spongy feeling. I like it pretty stiff most of the way down the rod, but I want about 2 foot of the end to be where you can work it pretty easy. Well, he's legal. $20.5. I think we're gonna keep him because they've been really hard to come by. I mean, I've been out here about, I don't know, an hour now. Hadn't seen anything worth in the water. Beautiful. Beautiful up here. This is actually about the end of this little cut, I believe. I'm gonna have to go find a different cut. But all right, well, it was a fish, and I got to break in my rod. But I don't know if you call that really breaking in whenever he's only 20.5 inches long. You gotta get one of them big dogs on it to really break it in. All right, well, let's go see if we can find another little spot that might have something. Later. All right, guys, I don't know what we hooked onto, but it seems to not want to budge. I suspect it is a redfish of a larger nature. Went all over creations. He might not be all that big, but I went all up in the backwater and I caught that one little red y'all saw. I popped back in. The ditch came out a different way, and so I followed the shore all the way down just to get back to the main boat. Ain't no big one, but we sure pulled hard for a minute. But yeah, he doesn't feel great, is he? Every day ain't always the same. I ain't seen a tail, and I've seen very little action up. Easy. Oh, he's hooked already. Through and through. Almost through and through. Come on. Open your mouth. You don't want to cooperate. But here, I thought he was big. He may not even be a keeper. But just like that last one, they must be kinfolk. Boy, but that's some good eating right there, guys. They ain't got all that red meat and stuff on them. They just got that good old tenderized veal. You call it veal. Veal of the sea. Yeah, not exactly, but well, like I say, there's my boat over there, my main skiff that I used to get out here. But then again, that little mouth of that creek was right there too. That's always good to fish when you're out in the bay and you find a little creek like that. So, all right, well, I'm gonna go on and see what we can get. It's been a long time. I mean, since the last time I talked to you, it's probably been 2 hours. So videos always make it look like it's always action, 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 but and some days it is, but today it wasn't. It was kind of scattered. I have found them along this bank here, but man, there's been a lot of boats out here today running around. I don't know if I can get my last one up this bank or not. I might try it. I kind of hate to load up and tie everything down and just for one more redfish. The trout hang out here too in this little bit deeper water, so I may give her a shot. But if you don't hear from me, y'all have a good day now. Later. Alright. Like hooked up with a little rat. Yep. It'll hurt you. I don't want to hurt you. Just give you a little 3-spotter. I'll remember that when I catch you when you're about 27 3/4. All right. Get ready. Maybe we'll get the third one eventually down this bank. All right, guys. Hooked up to something right there. Don't know what it is, but it's one of them times whenever it hits the water and it's just like in his mouth. There was no time for me to even reel. He gobbled it up. Another kind of small one. Right down that same bank here. But it's fish. Kind of hoping it's number 3 because it's been that's how you get them off too. Let's just take a gander right quick. Don't know. He looks awful little. What you doing over here? Yeah, I don't think he's gonna make it. Ain't gonna make it, are you? No, sir. No, sir. Almost 19 there. But grow up. So I guess we're gonna work down the bank just a little more. See if there's one down here. It got too shallow for my drive here. I just went to the paddle, first cast, and that's where I got him. So all right, we'll see you in a little while. All right, guys, got another one, but I think he may be short too. He's right up against the bank up there. Might be a little short. I'm pretty sure he is. But as I say, it's a fish. Alright, be cool, be easy. Get around your gill. Don't want to hurt you. Yeah, about 17. Alright, guy. Throw water in both our face that time, didn't he? Alright, guess we'll see you in a bit. Alright, guys, we might have found number 3. Might have. I don't think he's a super nice big old, but he's pulling a little drag at least. We can just keep him on there. I'm gonna be very gentle with him because I don't know, kind of felt like he might not be hooked deep. I don't know. Sometimes you just give that feeling. And he might be bigger than I thought. Come on to the boat, guy. Yeah, this bank is a producer today. Wasting my time up in that skinny water. But I want to get away from everybody else. Don't want to fish around the mainstream group of fishermen. Let them have all of this. But there's boats all around out here. But oh, I knew these redfish were up here. I fish them a lot of times during the week when people are working or whatever. He's a good fish right there. Hope he ain't too good. I'm pretty good ways away from my ride. I don't want to go much further downwind, although it's not completely downwind. Alright, guys. These people ain't gonna wait forever. They want to see you get in the boat. I know people have limited time to watch videos. I try to make them exciting enough to where you get watching to the end, but it don't always happen. I know. But if you don't watch this one to the end, you ain't gonna get to see what I would call the best for last. Alright, guy. Oh, hey. Enough of all that. Are you tired out? That's a good fish right there, guys. That is a really good fish. Let's just see it. Are you done? You done? I think you're done. I think you're done. Come on. Easy. Easy. get a little concerned that he might be too big. Oh, well, if he is, he is. Guys, I said he was hooked light. I just had a good feeling. You know what? I don't think I had a good feeling about that, because he ain't nowhere near hooked light. That rascal got it in his jawbone. There it goes. Yeah, it's what everybody want to watch. Somebody fight with getting a fish off. Alright, I think he's too big. Oh my goodness. He ain't even close. Easy, get back in the water. Alright. Nope. You better swim off. My people be all over me. Come back here. I wore him flat out. He'll be alright. Gotta get his bearings again. There he goes. There he goes. He took off. Well, guys, that's the way the ball bounces. But I'm not complaining. He was a good fight. He's a good fish. I hope somebody else can enjoy catching him. It's that's what it's about. But I'm gonna call it quits for today. I've got about a mile paddle back up to my boat, and I guess we'll see you later.